In the Advanced Settings section, you can set the following advanced settings. Forward selected. This setting allows you to forward calls to a specified list of callers. To enable, select Forward Selected and select Forwarding List. Enter the number of numbers you would like to selectively forward and click Add New. You can also choose contacts from your contacts list or extension list here. Select OK when you're done. Next, select the number you would like to forward these callers to. You can select a number from your saved list or use a temporary number. Make your selections and click OK to save your settings. Reject selected. This setting allows you to reject specified phone numbers or callers without going to voicemail. To enable, select Reject Selected, then Rejection List. Add the phone numbers, contacts, and/or extensions you would like to add to this list. Click OK when you're done. Distinctive ringtone. This setting will notify you when a specific caller is calling by playing a distinctive ringtone. To enable, select Distinctive Ringtone, and then the distinctive ringing list. Add the phone numbers, contacts, and/or extensions you would like to add to this list. Click OK when you're done. Forward if unavailable. This setting will forward calls to another number or temporary number if you are unavailable or busy. To enable, select Forward if unavailable and select another phone. Enter a phone number from your saved numbers list or enter a temporary number here. Click OK when you're done. Anonymous callers. This setting will automatically reject callers with anonymous numbers without sending them to your voicemail. To enable, click on Anonymous Callers.